getting some news that's breaking this minute. Mirror now has accessed the charge sheet filed by the Delhi police in the Northeast Delhi riot case. The charge sheet details 13 pointed questions asked to BJP's Kapil Mishra about his visit to Northeast Delhi, one of the sites where, remember, the riots took place, and a subsequent YouTube video. Now, in his statement, Mishra has said that he didn't deliver any speech at the site, and his comments captured on camera while standing next to a DCP was only conveying his intention of launching a protest to counter the anti-CAA protesters. Let me bring in my colleague Alok, who's joining me live, getting us all the updates in this case at this point. Alok, significant development there coming in. We have access a charge sheet which has been filed by the Delhi police in the riot case that has taken place. Take us through the contents of the charge sheet and the kind of questions that were put forth to Kapil Mishra.
Well, Apurva, Kapil Mishra was one of the very much talked and named during the time of riots because of his speech, what the people told and what the people said, that during the time he delivered the speech, and after delivering his speech, the violence started. This is what many people had claimed at that time, at that point in time. But there were questions raised on the investigation of Delhi police that why he was not being questioned yet. But in the charge sheet, it has been specifically mentioned that Kapil Mishra was also called for questioning. His questioning went for at least 3 to 4 hours at Delhi Police Special Cell Lodi Colony office, which is the investigating team of this whole matter. In fact, in the questionnaire, which was 13 questions, there's a set of 13 questions in which he was asked various things about when he went there, what was the purpose of his visit, and what he think of giving the speech and why he delivered the speech. But in all the questions, he has clearly maintained that he never delivered any speech, and he went there just to clear the road, just to ask the police to clear the road because there was a lot of people basically who are the residents of that particular area. Kapil Mishra was also the resident of that Yamuna Vihar, that is near Jafrabad metro station, from where this whole violence started. So what he in the questionnaire, in his answer, he has specifically said that he went there just to request the police to clear the road, and he had not delivered any kind of a speech. So this is very important point, and this is very important thing that is mentioned in the charge sheet. But as of now, as we all know, that 15 persons have been made as an accused in the charge sheet. 5 more persons are still in the custody. Their supplementary charge sheet will be filed in the coming days, and also the whole investigation is still on into this whole matter. Back to you.
All right, Alok, as you pointed out, the name of Kapil Mishra was very prominent during the time of the Delhi riots, with several questioning as to why he was not questioned. But with this charge sheet, what has been the kind of statement response that has come in from Kapil Mishra?
Well, as I already told you, that the specific thing he told, that he went there just to request the police. In fact, in the question answer round, he also said that he, before reaching to that place, he called the DCP of that particular area, district DCP, to ask him about the situation of that particular area, because he was the MLA and from the Aam Aadmi Party. Although he was removed as the Aam Aadmi Party member, but he later joined the BJP. And in fact, after talking to the DCP, he went there, and when he reached there, he found out that there are various people who are standing in front of him. They were also protesting, but he specifically told the police that if they do not clear the road, then the people of his section, then he himself and his group will also come on road and will start protesting against the anti-CA protesters. Remember, Apurva, there was anti-CA protest was going on at Jafrabad metro station, and there was the complaint that many residents were complaining about the schools, about the normal working, because many people were not able to go to their work, and their children were not able to go to the schools. So this is what specifically that Mishra has said in his question answer. Back to you.
All right, Alok, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those breaking updates.